Hand mixers might seem like simple kitchen gadgets, but when it comes to smooth batters and perfectly whipped cream, the right choice can make all the difference. Struggling with an underpowered or unreliable mixer can ruin your cooking experience, turning a simple recipe into a frustrating task. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best hand mixers of 2025, each designed to bring power, precision, and convenience to your kitchen. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Let's dive in. Number 5, we have the brand new Yomelo hand mixer. This Yomelo electric hand mixer is a powerhouse designed for all your baking adventures. Boasting an impressive 400-watt motor, it delivers exceptional speed and efficiency, easily tackling heavy doughs and whipping cream in seconds. With 9 variable speeds, you have complete control for delicate folding or powerful mixing. The built-in digital display helps you monitor settings effortlessly so you can adjust for perfect results every time. Its high-quality stainless steel attachments include 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, and a whisk, covering all your culinary needs. Plus, the durable build ensures these accessories withstand frequent use. The snap-on storage case keeps everything organized, so you'll never waste time searching for attachments. Perfect for both amateur bakers and pros looking for precision and power, this hand mixer simplifies complex recipes with style. This mixer's versatility makes it an essential kitchen companion. Number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach hand mixer. This Hamilton Beach hand mixer is a fantastic blend of simplicity and power, perfect for everyday mixing tasks. With 275 watts of peak power, it effortlessly handles everything from fluffy meringues to dense cookie dough. The 6-speed settings provide precise control, while the quick burst button delivers an extra boost when you need it most. Included are versatile attachments, traditional beaters, a whisk, and dough hooks, all made from high-quality stainless steel. Whether you're whipping up a cake or kneading bread, this mixer covers all your baking essentials. Plus, the convenient snap-on storage case keeps everything tidy and ready to use, saving valuable kitchen space. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's great for casual bakers or anyone needing a reliable kitchen helper. With its practical design and performance, it's a must-have for creating delicious homemade treats. Number 3, we have the BLACK+DECKER MX3200B. The BLACK+DECKER 6-speed hand mixer is a versatile tool designed to meet various mixing needs. Equipped with a 250-watt motor, it offers ample power for tasks ranging from whipping cream to kneading dough. The 6-speed settings, complemented by a turbo boost function, provide precise control and an extra surge of power when required. This mixer includes 5 professional-style attachments, 2 wire beaters, a whisk, and 2 dough hooks, all of which are dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The convenient storage case keeps the mixer and its accessories organized and readily accessible. Designed with user comfort in mind, the mixer features an ergonomic handle and a slower starting speed to minimize splatter, ensuring a cleaner mixing experience. Its combination of power, versatility, and thoughtful design makes it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced bakers seeking efficiency and convenience in the kitchen. Number 2, we have the OVENTE hand mixer. The OVENTE portable 5-speed mixing electric hand mixer is a compact yet powerful tool, ideal for both novice and seasoned bakers. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable handling during extended mixing sessions. Equipped with a 150-watt motor, it efficiently blends a variety of ingredients, from delicate batters to thicker doughs. This mixer offers 5 adjustable speed settings, allowing precise control to achieve the desired consistency for any recipe. The ergonomic shape provides a comfortable grip, and the intuitive speed control slider enables seamless transitions between settings. Included in the package are 2 high-quality stainless steel whisk beater attachments, perfect for a range of mixing tasks. Additionally, a snap-on storage case is provided, keeping the mixer, beaters, and power cord neatly organized and easily accessible. This hand mixer is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient kitchen tool that combines functionality with user-friendly features. Number 1, we have the KitchenAid KHM512. The KitchenAid 5-speed ultra-power hand mixer is a versatile and reliable tool for everyday mixing tasks. Its compact and lightweight design ensures comfortable use, while the 5-speed settings provide precise control for various recipes. Whether you're gently folding in ingredients at speed 1 or whipping cream at speed 5, this mixer adapts to your needs. Equipped with 2 stainless steel turbo beater accessories, it efficiently handles a range of mixing jobs. The lockable swivel cord allows for easy maneuverability, keeping the cord out of your way during use. Additionally, the beater ejector button enables quick and effortless removal of attachments. This hand mixer is ideal for both novice and experienced bakers seeking a dependable and straightforward mixing solution. Its user-friendly features and consistent performance make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. We've explored 5 incredible hand mixers, each designed to cater to your specific baking needs. Selecting the right one is crucial for achieving perfect results with ease and efficiency. Whether you're whipping cream or mixing dough, the right tool can transform your experience. So, choose wisely and elevate your baking game today. Let me know in the comments which hand mixer is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.